across the room. If you don't make a move real soon, I'll just have to make a move instead. I wonder why you seem so shy. You're such a darn good-looking guy. Would you turn me down if I walked right up and said, come dance with me? No need to be so far apart. Come dance with me. Let's give romance a chance to start. Now the music's right. Come on and make my night. Come dance with me. If I could only get to know ya, maybe you would let me show ya a new dance step you've never done before. I hold out my hand and get the feeling it's all the encouragement you'll be needing. 'Cause look who's leading who out to the floor. And you say,